we have worked with customers ranging from sports to out-of-home advertising, retail, hospitality, and corporate customers. Welcome to the LED revolution. The LED Studio has been manufacturing and supplying LED display systems for over 12 years. We've also produced displays for other suppliers across the industry. Our goal with these videos is to help educate people in the intricacies of the LED display market. There's a tendency to overcomplicate LED display projects. We're here to simplify the products and the process and help you understand that anyone can comfortably build an LED strategy into their next project. Be sure to check out the other videos in our series to learn everything you need to know about specifying stunning visuals into your next experience.